Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok ads not delivering. So first step is log in to TikTok ads manager and review the campaign dashboard. So from here just look for campaigns showing not delivering status and identify which ad groups are affected. Next step is check your ad group settings for budget and schedule issues. So ensure that your daily budget meets the minimum requirement and that your campaign schedule hasn't expired or hasn't started yet. Next step is review your audience targeting to make sure it's not too narrow. So you can check the demographics, the interests, and the behaviors. Overly specific targeting can limit delivery significantly. So you can start with broader targeting and narrow down once you have enough data. Next step is check if your ad creative has been approved. So go to the ad creative review section to see approval status and policy compliance. So rejected creatives will prevent delivery. Lastly is after making adjustments, monitor your campaign for the active and delivering status. So check the impressions, the clicks, and other metrics that are showing the data. So allow 24 to 48 hours after changes for the learning phase to optimize delivery. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!